Ever wondered how to create your very own meme coin in just 30 seconds? Stick around because in this video I'm not just going to tell you, I'm going to show you step by step how to launch a meme coin on the Ton blockchain using gas pump. But before we dive into the tutorial, let me explain why we are actually on Ton blockchain and not on Solana. What we are seeing right now is a chart comparing total value locked of Ton and Solana, and total value locked in short is just how much money is on the chain right now. And as you can see, total value locked in Solana is almost 5 billion and on Ton is less than 600 million. And this is one of the reasons why we are actually focusing on Ton today. Because there's a lot of room to grow for your Ton meme coins once people are going to start bridging over to Ton from other chains like Solana, because Ton is integrated into Telegram. Yes, the Telegram app that you have on your phone right now. So there's absolutely no doubt that Ton will get mass adoption very, very soon. And the other reason why I'm showing you how to launch a meme coin on Ton and not Pump Fun, that is the launchpad for meme coins on Solana, is because of this Twitter post. In the last 24 hours, over 16,000 tokens were launched on Pump Fun. And only 175 made it to Radium, and only 19 remain above $69,000 market cap after 24 hours. Which means that from launch to profitable graduation, that's only 0.12%. Those chances to make profitable guess are absolutely tiny. So most likely you are going to lose money if you invest into Pump Fun meme coin. And as you can see, there are a lot of coins that are just starting right now, and when you look at the buys, it's crazy. Every single second somebody buys some meme coins. However, on gas pump, which is built on Ton blockchain, the things are way slower because we are still in very low TVL on Ton blockchain. It's not as known, and it's actually a good thing if you want to start your own meme coin, because this leaves you a lot of room for growth, and even investing in some of these meme coins that you can see right now can be profitable because the market caps are absolutely tiny, $4,000, and if you go to $400,000, it's still 100x, and you're not even in $1 million market cap. And on gas pump, we had a very interesting thing that happened over a month ago. This coin called TCAT was launched on gas pump, and it reached over $30 million market cap at the all-time high. And if you were to invest in TCAT when it was still on gas pump at around $5,000 to $10,000 market cap, you would make over 3,000x. Over 3,000x, which is absolutely crazy amount of money. And the chances of you hitting the jackpot like this on Pump Fun with 16,000 tokens launched is very low. And chances for you as a meme coin creator that you will launch on DDust, which is market maker for Ton, are way higher than on Pump Fun, obviously. So finally, let's get over to the tutorial on how to create your meme coin, and you can do it very easily on gaspump.tg in your browser, or you can launch gaspump on Telegram, because every single app that is built on Ton blockchain is integrated into Telegram and is going to open in this little window just like this one. And to create your own meme coin, you just have to click create. And as you can see, the whole process is going to take only 30 seconds. And obviously you need to select the picture. And before this video, I just used ChatGPT to create me a meme coin with ticker, name and description, and obviously the image, just to showcase you, because I'm not going to launch this meme coin. So I went with a dinosaur themed meme, and ChatGPT generated the name as TonDino, ticker TDino, and the description is just a T-Rex meme with zero utility. It has cool glasses though. And now it's optional, however, every single time you launch a token on gas pump or pump fund, you should make a Telegram chat. You don't need a Telegram channel with like announcements and stuff like the one you can see right now from gas pump. You can create just a chat for people to send messages, so you can communicate with the community that invested into that token. You can also use this channel to showcase the buys, because we have a lot of bot integration, which are called ByBots, and you will get something like this. And I will show you how to set it up in just a second, because we would want to create a Telegram chat before you launch the coin. So let's get over to Telegram and I will show you how to create this chat. All you have to do is go to this burger menu, create new group, and for your group name, just use exactly the same name as the name of your coin. And for the picture, use exactly the same picture as your meme coin. Okay, set photo, and next you can add some people or just start an empty channel. And right now you have to add 2 bots to protect this channel from spammers and scammers, because obviously in crypto it's inevitable that there will be some accounts that are going to raid your channel and it will turn into a complete disaster. Use Miss Rosebot and always make sure you are using the correct one with millions of users. You just click add me to your chat, add to the relevant chat, and you have to give her admin rights and just add the bot as admin. And voila. And if you add this bot through here and to add members, you would have to manually add the permissions to that bot. Just right click on the bot right here and promote it to admin to make sure that the bots are going to work properly. And the second bot we want to use will be Guardify AI bot, which is going to make sure that we won't get any scammers inside our chat. So let me use one-click setup, add to TonDino, add with admin rights, click OK. And right here, we can now install the Interstellar ByBot, which is the ByBot that's going to show buy messages just like this one. And we can just add this to our TonDino group, send. And now you have to add token, and you have to input here token address to add this bot. However, since I didn't deploy this meme coin, I'm not going to get a coin address. However, you can do it once you deploy it. I will show you how to find your token address so you can add this ByBot. So right now, let me show you how you can create the invite link. All you have to do is click here to add members, click invite via link, copy link, and right here for Telegram chat link, you just put this, next. And in here, if you want to start and buy a coin, it will cost you 0.3 ton. And optionally, you can buy your own meme coins. It's optional, but buying some amount of coins can help protect your coin from snipers. So you can buy, for example, 1 ton and you will get 1.3 million TonDino. And you can just create the token and that's it. I'm not going to launch this token. This video is only to showcase you how to start your own coin and set up your channel. But let's assume that you created your coin. So all you have to do is go to your profile, click here, and here you can see latest transactions, and you can see under your profile the coins that you created. And for example, you can see that the Crypto King created tokens ton season. And if you click on the token, you go to About section, and here you can find the address of the token that you have to input into the Interstellar ByBot in order to track the buys. So if we were to add ton season coin, it shows the pool and it was added to our group. And you can see to manage settings here, we can use different emojis, change the minimal buy that we want to display, and add any media, social links, etc. So that's basically it for this tutorial. As you can see, starting your own meme coin is very easy. However, actually running your own community and making sure that the coin will perform well requires a lot of work, and in the next videos I will show you how to create your very own meme coin community so you can potentially hit similar levels to TonyBridgeBot. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.